in our case, when we talk with businesses, we ask, like how many members are in your team,
Yeah.
If it's less than 5, we recommend using WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp Business application,
Exactly.
because with WhatsApp Business, you can share your WhatsApp with up to 5, let's say, devices, It can be computers, can be phone. So, if you are under that number, WhatsApp Business app is fantastic. You can use it. You don't need to go to WhatsApp Business API. If your team is larger, I mean, if you are 10, 20, 100 team members, of course, you need a WhatsApp API. That's mandatory, And also, the other thing you mentioned, is automation. I mean, the moment you want to do something automated from your CRM, IRP, e-commerce, whatever, you need WhatsApp API. So I think those are the limits of WhatsApp Business, and then WhatsApp API. But the requirements, as you mentioned, new number, paid solution, those are important to keep in mind.
Yeah, and to mention, for example, examples for enterprises or for medium-sized businesses, it's, for example, the shared inbox. So people message your company via WhatsApp. And normally you get it on an app on one phone, and what you said, you can have it on multiple phones with WhatsApp Business. But with the WhatsApp Business API, you can have it in a shared inbox, and you can sync it with your CRM, for example.
Yeah.
So you track the messages, and you can involve and integrate them in all the processes you are doing. So what you see is many companies use HubSpot, many companies use Pipedrive, many companies use Monday. Now, all that kind of software, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, all that kind of software. What you see now is that the WhatsApp Business API integrates these platforms with WhatsApp. So you have in your CRM, for example, you have also not only the emails people receive, but also the WhatsApp messages. So for big companies, they need a 360 overview of customer
communications.
So it's, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer for big companies with customer support and marketing. Selling, it depends. But for customer support, surely,